Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sonic. The taut, strong body lines and powerful stance of Chevy Sonic allude to the power you'll find under its hood. Throw a little extra power into the mix with the available turbocharged engine. So where's the sweet spot? Behind the wheel, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, tachometer, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.